Friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on 50 mark series. Okay, so now we are going to start soil mechanics from today, and the first chapter will be phase diagram and soil classification. So guys, more I will be taking in today's session will be phase diagram. Okay, so phase diagram will be complete, and if time permits we'll be going to the soil classification as well. Otherwise guys, soil classification I'll be taking with the tomorrow's 9 p.m. class. This is about me guys. My name is Abhinav Negi. I've done my MTech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering itself. Okay, so I've done my MTech in Geotech, the same subject we are going right now. Guys, you can connect me on my mail ID abhinav.negi@byju's.com or in my Telegram group, that is Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay. Now moving forward guys, yesterday Sunday ka funda was on floods. I hope you have seen this. If not, you can see it now. Otherwise guys, one more session I'll be taking on next Saturday, that how Albert Einstein has helped America against his own country Germany in the World War II. What was his contribution in atomic bomb? That I'll be telling you in next Saturday in Super Saturday series. Now this is guys about the 50 mark series. We are going with the phase diagram and soil classification. Majorly we'll be doing phase diagram. Soil classification I'll be taking with tomorrow's some challenging numericals I'll be taking in between soil classification as well. Okay, and guys again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I'll be taking the topics of geotechnical for your practice. Then Thursday it will be surveying, and Friday will be the mock test of SOM plus soil plus survey. Guys, keep sharing the session so that more and more commandos can join in. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. If you have not joined till now guys, please join it for the all important updates regarding civil engineering. Hi Arun, how are you? Alekia, good evening everyone. So guys, this is the workshop by Dheeraj Sir, the preparation strategy for GATE 2024. It will be live tomorrow. Please do attend at 7:30 p.m. And guys, this me and Dheeraj Sir are coming with all PSU details in one shot. Eligibility, qualification, everything. And then how much maximum you can score if you start from today, will be coming with this on this Thursday. Okay, so guys, see, just a quick revision. I'm going with. Then guys, we'll be going with the beautiful design numericals. Okay, now guys, soil is consisting of solid, water and air. If it is put in oven, of course all water will be dried up and it will be a dry soil. Okay, this is a partially saturated soil. Some voids are filled with water, some voids are filled with air. And when rain comes in enough amount, then everything is completely saturated. Okay, so this is this is dry soil, this is partially saturated, or you can say partially dry also, and this is completely saturated. Now voids is air plus water both. Somebody thinks that void is only air. No, void is air plus water both. And whenever you take soil from this place to this place, might be voids are changed if you are compacting. Airs might be compressed, but solids are not going to be changed. We consider soil solids to be incompressible. So whenever you are transporting the soil, solids volume, weight will never be going to change unless you are throwing some soil in between. Okay, so if you dug the soil somewhere, you transported it and you compact a fill, solids will be same. Water and air may change. Now what is water content or moisture content? This is weight of water divided by weight of solid. If you want in percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, water content or moisture content I represent with small w, and capital W I represent weight. Either WW means weight of water, WS means weight of solid, total weight is WT. So water content, moisture content I will be representing with small w. Now guys, void ratio, this is volume of voids divided by volume of solid. Of course, volume of voids means volume of air plus volume of water divided by volume of solids. Okay, now what is porosity? Porosity is represented by N, volume of voids upon total volume. What was void ratio? Void ratio was volume of voids by volume of solid. Denominator wait. Void ratio is volume of voids by volume of solid, and porosity is volume of voids by total volume. Numerator is same, denominator here is more. Total volume includes volume of solid also, volume of voids also. So of course E will be greater than N, and E is more important, E is more widely adopted. E is more widely adopted. Okay, the reason being that in E denominator, this is volume of solid, which is as compared to the total volume, solid remains constant. So it is more reliable parameter, because here it is represented in terms of solid, which is going to be constant, but total volume can change. If you compact the soil, total volume will going to decrease, but solid doesn't change. We are going with a quick revision, guys, then soon we are coming with the numericals. Soon we are coming with the numericals. Soon we are coming with the numericals. Okay. Now moving forward. Okay. Degree of saturation is volume of void में से volume of water कितना है? How much is volume of water with respect to volume of voids? Keep sharing, guys. Everyone. Arun, Alekia, if I am audible and visible both, please let me know. If I am audible and visible both. Okay, saturation is volume of water divided by volume of voids. Air content is volume of air divided by total volume. Sorry, volume of air divided by volume of voids. And S plus AC is equal to 1. S plus AC is equal to 1. S is volume of water by volume of void, plus air content is volume of air by volume of void, and if you add volume of water plus volume of air is void itself. Volume of water plus volume of air is void itself. So volume of void by volume of void is equal to 1. Percentage air void is Na, that is volume of air with respect to total volume. What was air content? Air content is volume of air by volume of void. Of course here denominator is lesser, so air content will always be more than the percentage air voids. Now bulk unit weight represented by gamma T is weight of soil, whether it is dry, whether it is saturated, whether it is partially saturated, it is the density. Guys, what is difference between unit weight and density? Density is mass by volume and unit weight is equal to weight by volume. So only gravity will be difference now, because mass, weight is equal to mass into gravity. So gamma is just rho into G. Gamma is rho into G. Now bulk unit weight is whatever is the weight of soil upon the total volume. Unit weight of solid, this is not soil, this is solid. So weight of solid divided by volume of solid. Unit weight of water is weight of water by volume of water. Dry unit weight of soil means represented by gamma D. This is gamma S. This is gamma W. This is gamma D. This is dry unit weight of soil upon total volume of soil. What is dry unit weight? When it is dry, so only solid will be there. Water is not there, and air weight we consider D is 0. So this is weight of solid in only. Because in case of dry, when the soil is dry, so weight is only of solid. Okay. Now saturated unit weight means weight of this condition upon volume. Submerged means when beyond weight also acting. I am not going into derivation, because derivation I have already done in a beautiful way when I throw water on myself. You can see the video, I will give you the video also. Gamma submerged is equal to gamma sat minus gamma W. I have done the derivation for that. What is specific gravity? Suppose specific gravity of anything is 1. That means, suppose specific gravity of anything is 2. That means it's 2 times more denser than water. Suppose specific gravity is 3. Then it means that specific gravity is 3 times more than of water. Suppose specific gravity is 4. Then it means that it is 4 times more of water. Suppose specific gravity is 5. That means density is 5 times more of water. Suppose specific gravity is 0.5. That means density of that substance is half of water. Now specific gravity of solid, GS, it is also represented by G. In all formula this is used. Whatever the formulas you have used, think of G na. There's all these are used. The GS or G, one thing, only one thing. So it is gamma of solid with respect to water. It is not of soil, only the solid particles. And this is around 2.6 to 2.7. Specific gravity of soil means this is of solids, the density of solid with respect to water. This is soil, the density of soil with respect to water. This is gamma T, that is density of soil upon gamma W. Now guys, see, maximum density will be of solid, maximum density will be solid, then it will be saturated soil, because saturated soil has most mass, there is no air, everything is filled with water. Then it will be bulk. Bulk density means you can assume to be for next 1 minute it is a partially saturated soil. Then it is gamma dry, because dry has least weight na, dry has least weight na, every word is filled with air. Okay, then gamma submerged will be least because beyond weight is also acting, and you can put a equal to sign here, because bulk density means whatever is the existing condition. Bulk density can be saturated also, bulk density can be dry also, bulk density can be partially saturated also. Oh guys, all these are the density of soil, which includes water also, which is lighter, which include air also. Okay, this is most, because this doesn't include gamma S is of solid only, weight of solid upon volume of solid, nothing water, nothing air, nothing water, nothing air, only solid, only solid. Okay, just keep sharing session guys, everyone keep sharing everyone. Shall we move to the question now? Shall we move to the questions now? Everybody, just one thing I want to tell you more, let me just, where is okay guys, this session is visible on channel or not? Yeah, this is visible. Okay, now one thing more I want to tell you, the relation between the different parameters. SE is equal to WG, okay, N porosity is equal to E upon 1 plus E, or E is equal to N upon 1 minus N, or gamma D is equal to bulk density upon 1 plus W. Oh, there are various relations. Gamma T is equal to G plus SE upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Now you know that SE is equal to WG. Now you know that SE is equal to WG. If you put it there, then what is you are getting? Gamma T is equal to SE, you put WG. So G common. So it will be 1 plus W into 1 plus E. Putting SE is equal to WG. Okay, then G will be common. So G gamma W we have taken out. Okay, for dry soil, S will be 0. Okay, because S is weight of water, S is volume of water by volume of void. For dry it will be 0. So it is G upon 1 plus E into gamma W. For saturated, S will be equal to 1. So G plus E, 1 plus E into gamma W. For submerged, gamma sat minus gamma W. If you do, you will be getting this. नीचे तो नहीं दिख रहा होगा ना? Okay, gamma submerged, leave this. Gamma submerged is equal to G minus 1. If you minus gamma W from here, take the LCM, you will be getting this. Give me yes or no? Give me yes or no? Give me yes or no, everyone? Give me yes or no? Everybody? Okay. Now, guys, one thing more I want to tell you, that yes, when the soil is fully saturated with water, this is solid and every other thing is water. Every other thing is water. Every other thing is water. Then what is gamma sat here? G plus SE, S is equal to 1 into 1 plus E into gamma W. This everybody teaches you. But now my case is, and that has been asked in the GATE exam as well. Now my case is that soil is filled with another liquid. This has been asked in GATE. When the sea water goes in the soil, which is having different specific gravity due to the presence of salt. Salt is in the sea water, that is, it is denser, it is heavier. Now my case is that this is solid and there is some other liquid here. And if that liquid is heavier, having specific gravity G dash, if that liquid is heavier, then density will not be same, na? There will be more density. If that liquid is very light, the density will be less. Any case, the density will not be equal to this, because there is some different liquid having different mass. For the same volume, if it is having some different mass, of course the density will be different. I'm not going into derivation because we have done many times. So gamma sat is equal to, in that case, G plus E into G dash into 1 plus E into gamma W. G plus E into G dash, 1 plus E into gamma W. Okay? And all these derivations, detailed explanation you want, just on YouTube write phase diagram Abhinav Negi. Go on the YouTube, just write phase diagram Abhinav Negi. You'll be finding this video where I have done all these derivations. Okay? So let's move to the numerical now. Beautiful design numericals. Yes, this is the numerical. Everyone please do this. Okay, do this, guys. Everyone, do you know the derivation for this also? I have done the derivation for this also. This is Gangia. Maximum void ratio is 0.91. Guys, see, maximum void ratio comes when? Suppose this is a dimension of 1 into 1 cube. Okay? 1 into 1 into 1 cube you can take. So why this is theoretical? Because you are considering all of uniform size. In actual soil, everything is not of same size. Suppose I am saying 0.5 diameter ball. Okay? Suppose I am taking here that in a 1 meter cube, soil particles are of 0.5 diameter cube, like this. Okay, so how many cubes will be there? At base there will be 4, then 4 above 8 cubes. So total volume is 1 cube and solid volume is, this is total volume. Solid volume is 8 solids of 4 by 3 pi r cube. If diameter is 0.5, this is 0.25 cube. Okay, and volume of voids is equal to total volume minus volume of solid. Now E we want volume of void by volume of solid. Put subtraction of these in numerator, denominator here, you will get 0.91. Why this is theoretical? Because never it will be of same size. Soil will never be of same size. And one more thing, guys, why this is maximum void ratio? This also I told you here. Why this is maximum void ratio? See, for maximum voids, now what a person will be doing, if this is the soil layer, he will put the next soil layer exactly above it. When he is putting the next layer exactly above it, parallel arrangement, that is cubical array, then there will be maximum voids. Because if a person wants to occupy the voids, this is E max, cubical array. This is 0.91. This is cubical array. Because if someone wants to put it the minimum void ratio, what he will be doing, like this, minimum, now he will be putting soil here in this gap to fill it. He will be putting the next soil in this gap to fill it. He will be putting the next layer in this gap, I hope you are able to see, in this gap, then again it will put the next layer here in this gap, in this gap, in this gap, in this gap, in this gap. Like this is prismoidal array. This is prismoidal array. E is equal to here E minimum, that is 0.35. Have you understood the feeling? See, for maximum void ratio na, the next layer should be exactly above it, so that void ऐसे के ऐसे ही रहने दो, void ऐसे के ऐसे ही रहने दो, और minimum के लिए just उसके बीच में लगाओगे. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Everybody. Okay. Okay, why so less students today? Why less students today? Why the students are less? Next question. Chalo, do this. Do this, everyone. Everyone, please. मेरे हाथ से रिमोट का बटन दब गया. चलो इसको करो, इसको करो. Snidhan Macha. Okay, what about this? Come on. बाकी भी बता दो. बाकी भी बता दो भाई. बाकी भी बता दो भाई. रुको. क्या क्वेश्चन है? 2 सॉइल सैंपल. अच्छा, एक 1 kg वेट, एक सॉइल सैंपल है ए, है ना. 1 kg वेट है, 1 kg वेट है, एंड हैविंग वाटर कंटेंट 50%. इसका वेट ऑफ वाटर बाय वेट ऑफ सॉलिड 0.8 है, नहीं, वाटर कंटेंट कितना है 0.5, और वेट ऑफ वाटर प्लस वेट ऑफ सॉलिड है 1 kg, है ना. ये एक ही बात हो रही है. तो बताना कितना आया, बताना. तो यहाँ से वेट ऑफ वाटर आपका आया 0.33 और वेट ऑफ सॉलिड आया 0.67. चेक कर लेना, वो 0.33 बाई 0.67 0.5 है. ठीक है, और ठीक है, ये तो ए की बात थी. अब बी की बात करते हैं. बी की बात कितना है? वेट 1 kg है, और ये अच्छा बी भी 1 kg है. B is also 1 kg. तो weight of water by weight of solid is equal to कितना है 0.8, and नीचे दिख रहा है yes, weight of water plus weight of solid is equal to 1 kg. From here tell me what is weight of water and what is weight of solid. From here tell me what is weight of water and what is weight of solid. 0.8 Ws plus Ws, 1.8 Ws. 1.8 Ws is equal to 1. 1.8. So 1 divided by 1.8. This is equal to 0.55. चेक करना. और ये 0.45 होगा. फिर चेक करना. 0.45 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.55 कितना आ रहा है 0.8. ठीक है क्या? लगभग ठीक जैसा लग रहा है. अच्छा, अब इनको मिक्स कर दिया. अब ये जो B था और ये जो A था, येलो और ब्लू रंग करके क्या मिलता था बचपन में, याद है? मेरे को तो नहीं याद. C मिला. तो वाटर कंटेंट ऑफ C क्या होगा? weight of water ऐसा कुछ, this is nothing written like weight of water has been gone somewhere, it is not written. Okay, so weight of water will be 0.33 plus 0.45, 0.33 plus 0.45, and weight of solid is 0.67 plus 0.55, 0.67 plus 0.55. So water content is equal to, guys, I have not done anything today. I have to do all the numericals of my own here. I have to do all numericals of my own here in front of you. You can do the same in your copy so that race ho jaye. Let us see, have a race. 0.639, 0.639, 0.639, that is A. Are you getting also the same? Are you also getting the same? Okay, जल्दी से बता दो भाई. Are you getting the same value? मेरे कंप्यूटर को क्या हुआ यार? मेरे कंप्यूटर को क्या हुआ? Okay, Arun, black means चलो इसको करो, इसको करो. इसको करो, चलो. आंसर बताओ भाई लोग. गुड इवनिंग दमन, लिटिल लेट टुडे. चलो चलो चलो. बताओ भाई लोग. बफरिंग तो नहीं कर रहा बीच में? चलो. The specific gravity of solid and apparent specific gravity of dry soil is 2.7. Specific gravity of solid and apparent specific gravity of dry soil are, specific gravity of solid कितना है? 2.7. and specific gravity of soil, that means gamma T with respect to gamma W is equal to 1.8. that means gamma T is equal to 1. देखते हैं पहले कौन करता है. गाइस मैं कुछ नहीं करके आया हूँ आज. I have done nothing. So let us have a speed. You do first or I do first? अच्छा, कलर मिक्स. ओके ओके ओके, याद है आपको? अब क्या निकालना, क्या है? void ratio. So gamma T is also G gamma W upon 1 plus E. So 1.8 gamma W to gamma W cancelled is equal to G, that is 2.7 upon 1 plus E. What is the answer coming? What is the answer coming? नहीं बता रहे, नहीं बता रहे. 2.7 divided by 1.8 is equal to 0.5. We are getting. Please check. Please check. Please check. Okay, let's move question number 4. That is MSQ. That is MSQ. Please keep in mind of this. Please keep in mind of this. Now you can attempt it. देखते हैं. Let me check that among all the students who are present in the comment box. Let me check that all the students, Daman, Arun, Alekhya, Srinath, everybody who got it first and correct also. The dry unit weight of soil having 15% moisture content is 18.5. Okay. Now gamma T is equal to gamma D upon 1 plus W. Okay. The dry unit weight of soil 15% moisture content 18.5 is 18.5. Okay. So dry unit weight is 18.5. So this is ulta लिख दिया ना? Ulta I have written. I have MSQ. Again I am writing gamma D is equal to gamma T upon 1 plus W. The dry unit weight is given as 18.5 is equal to gamma T 1 plus 0.15. So gamma T from here in kilonewton per meter cube. Let me check. 1.18.5 into 1.15. This is coming to be 21.275. 21.275. So B is correct. B is correct. ISRO exam date please. ISRO cancel हो गया. ISRO has been cancelled. अरे अभी गेट पढ़ा रहे देख लो. ISRO का किसी को नहीं पता. No, ISRO has not announced it, so nobody knows it. Okay, but yes, of course, it will not be in 2025. So in next 3 months, it can be any time. If most probably it can be September, but even if it is coming and saying that the exam will be on 6th of August, then what you can do? Yeah, nothing, na. So whenever it will come, exam date can come today, tomorrow, after 10 days, after 20 days, after 30 days. Whenever it will be coming, from that date, any date can be exam which is 20 days after that. Suppose notification of date comes on 1st of August. So leave 15-16 days or 20 days after that, any time exam can happen. Whenever the notification come of date, plus 20 you can take, and after that any time they can take. Okay. So void ratio, gamma D is equal to G gamma W 1 plus E. Now what is gamma D? 18.5. What is G? 2.7. Unless given the density of water, we take it 9.81. 1 plus E. What is the value of E coming? What is the value of E coming? Can you please let me know? Let me check on my notes. Let me check on my notes. Okay. So what is the value of E coming? Is 18.5, है ना? 18.5. So what is it coming? Can you please let me know? Can you please let me know? Can you please let me know? E is 0.432. Okay, good, good, good. All champions of the gate are here, I guess. So A is also correct. Now, saturated unit weight. So what is the saturated unit weight you are getting? Saturated unit weight. Now E is also, N भी निकाल दो ना. N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. That will be 0.3. So saturated unit weight is equal to gamma sat is equal to G plus E into gamma W 1 plus E. Every value you know, it is C option. So all are correct. A, B, C, D. A, B, T wheelers plus C also. Have you got it? Have you got it, all of you? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Let us go question number 5. चलो बताओ. For a soil, the dry unit weight is 1.6 gram per cc. Rho D is equal to 1.6 gram per cc, and specific gravity is equal to 2.68. The minimum water content required to make it fully saturated. Now, rho D is equal to G rho W upon 1 plus E. So 1.6 कहाँ गया? 1.6 is equal to G, that is 2.68. Rho W is 1 upon 1 plus E. Tell me the value of E from here. Tell me the value of E from here. फटाफट से 2.6 divided by 1.6. आज I have done nothing today ना. I have done nothing today. I have not. Usually what I do, I have done the calculations earlier, but today I have not time, so I am doing with you. E is equal to 0.625. Now they are asking the minimum water content required to make it fully saturated. So SE is equal to WG. So S is equal to 1. E is equal to 0.625. W into G 2.68. So from here W is equal to 0.625 divided by 2.68. So this is coming to be 0.233. हाँ? आपका कितना आ रहा है? 0.625 आ रहा है SE. E सही निकाला क्या मैंने? E मैंने सही निकाला क्या? E वैल्यू इफ आई फाउंड इट करेक्ट, यस. तो अब जब द मिनिमम वाटर कंटेंट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द सॉइल फुल्ली सैचुरेटेड इज, dry unit weight is this, specific gravity is this, the minimum water required to make it fully saturated, S is equal to 1, E is equal to this, W is equal to 2.625 divided by 2.233 आ रहा है ना यार. 0.233 is the correct answer. This is correct. 0.233, 23.3%. You are also getting the same value ना? Please check कि मैंने ही कोई ब्लंडर कर दिया है, और I have done some blunder, or you are getting also the same answer. You are getting the same answer, guys. Please let me know. लिख क्या 0.695 सर. E वैल्यू गलत कर दिया. G dry unit weight is equal to this, so 1 plus E is equal to 2.68 divided by 1.6 is equal to this, minus 1 is equal to this, 0.675. 0.675 से ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आएगा फिर भी. डिवाइडेड बाय 2.68, 0.2518 आ रहा है अब. अच्छा ठीक है, लेकिन वो आंसर हो जाएगा अब. 0.675 से ए ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. ओके, एनी मोर डाउट? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आहा, a borrow pit soil. From here the soil has been excavated, and here the density was 17 kilonewton per meter cube. Soil was excavated from here, and this is to make an embankment. From whatever the soil have been excavated from here, that soil has to be put here. That soil has to be put here. Okay, and make the volume here 100 meter cube with a dry density of 16. Okay, and here the dry density is 17. Now how much cube has to be required from here? So what is weight of solid? Gamma D is equal to weight of solid by volume, and weight of solid remains same. Here also gamma D 17 is weight of solid. Weight of solid is 60 into 100 upon volume. So volume is equal to 100 into 16 divided by 17. So it is less than 100. So these two can't be answer. These two can't be answer. 1600 divided by 17. That is 94 point something. Have you understood? Or any doubt? Have you understood or any doubt you have? Have you understood or any doubt you have? Have you understood or any doubt you have? Okay. Now after question number 6, it is question number 7. During compaction, the void ratio of soil is reduced from 0.95 to 0.65. Then the corresponding decrease in the volume is, void ratio is decreased from 0.95 to 0.65. Of course, solid is not going to change. When you compact, voids are compacting, but solids are considered to be incompressible. Solids are not compacting. So what is the total volume change? See, suppose this is a phase diagram, this is solid and this is voids. Suppose this is Vs and this is void ratio. So this will be, this is E into Vs. E into Vs is volume of voids. E is volume of voids by volume of solid into volume of solid is volume of voids. So total volume is equal to Vs into 1 plus E. Initially volume was Vs 1 plus 0.95, that means 1.95 95. Final is Vs into 1.65. Percentage change is asked. Percentage change is asked. So 1.95 Vs to 1.65. How much is change? How much is change? 0.3 Vs. 0.3 Vs. 1.95 to 1.65. Initial was 1.95 Vs into 100. कितना वैल्यू आया बोलो भाई? कितना वैल्यू आया बोलो भाई? 0.3 divided by 1.95 into 100. 0.153. 0.153. A option. A option. Alekhya Arun, excellent. Alekhya Arun, excellent guys. Excellent. Let us move further to question number 8. Again MSQ is there, but this is an easier MSQ. This is a easier MSQ as compared to the previous questions. As compared to the previous questions, this one is easier. This one is easier. Chalo. Srinath has given, let me pronounce the name correct. Srinath. You know Srinath? You know Srinath? Javagal Srinath from Karnataka. He was also engineer. Javagal Srinath and Anil Kumble. Both are engineers from Karnataka. In a dry soil, the voids are filled with air. Absolutely correct. In a saturated soil, voids are filled with water. In a partially dry soil, the voids are occupied by both air and water. Unit weight of solid is always less than unit weight of soil. Wrong. So it will be A, B, C. Okay. I have just explained that. Now question number 9. We have done this here. Gamma sat is equal to G plus SE or 1 plus E. This is not gamma sat. This is the gamma bulk. Okay, so put SE is equal to WG. G plus WG into gamma W 1 plus C. Take Z common. G gamma W 1 plus W नीचे दिख रहा है और bottom bar is coming. So I should write this kind of slash upon 1 plus E. So this is, I cannot say this even a 1 mark level. This is, I am accepting this. This is even lesser than 1 mark level. G gamma W 1 plus W 1 plus E. This is even, it might become in PSU or state sub examination, but not in GATE. MSQ, but this is guys little bit higher than the 2 marks level. This is a little bit higher than the 2 marks level. Do this. Do this. Do this guys. Do this guys. Do. Okay, wet density, G is given, W is given with reference to the following something is asked. I guess you all can do this. I guess you all can do this. Chalo. Dry density. Rho D is equal to rho T upon 1 plus W. So 2.1, 1 plus 0.15. This is coming how much? 2.1 divided by 1.15 is equal to 1.826 gram per cc. If you convert this in kg per meter cube, this will be A option. Easy. B. Porosity. Porosity, rho D is this na 8626 I written 862. 1.826. Rho D is G rho W upon 1 plus E. Rho W is 1 gram per cc. G is 2.7. Okay, upon 1 plus E. From here you will be finding E value. Please check, are you getting this? And N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. Putting this value of E, B and C will also be matching. B and C will also be matching. Now what is the next? What is degree of saturation? SE is equal to WG. E is known, G is known, W is 0.15. So S you will be getting this. A, B, D Villiers plus C also. This C is also coming here. Everybody got it? Everybody got it, guys? Give me yes or no. 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 Okay. 11th. The water content of the degree of S E is equal to WG. These are given. I am not solving here. You can do this. I don't want to do time waste of students. A soil sample has void ratio this. Specific gravity of solid is this. And what S is 0.5. E is 0.82. G is 2.65. W has to be asked. You can do this. You can do this. Okay. In a 200 gram wet sample, 100 gram is soil solids. What is the water content? Water content is weight of water by weight of solid. What is the weight of water? 200 में 100 is solid. So remaining 100 is, answer will not be 50%. 100 is solid. So remaining 100 is water. So many will say 50%. It will be 100%. It will say 100%. Alekia has given C. Good, Alekia. Good. Good. Shall we move further? Shall we move further? Okay. This one. This one. What is this? Soil is partially saturated. This दिख रहा है क्या? हाँ. Solid, water, air. I can write weight right, I can write weight left, anyway. So weight is 1 gram, 0.3, this is 0. 0.2. First thing it is asking that void ratio is 40%. So E is equal to volume of voids, that is 0.3 and 0.2. 0.5 upon volume of solid, 0.5. E is equal to 1. So 1 is not correct. So 1 is not correct. 1 is, so of course the answer will be C. Okay. Now water content is weight of water by weight of solid. So weight of water is 0.3, weight of solid is 1. That is 30%. So this is correct. Oh, sorry. Void ratio was second, na? Void ratio was second point. So second point is wrong, na? So this cannot be answered. This cannot be answered and this cannot be answered because void ratio is wrong. Now this is correct and this yellow one is wrong. Now let me talk about the first point. Soil saturation is volume of water by volume of voids, 0.5 into 100 is equal to 60%. 1 is correct and 3 is correct. Now 4, when it will be saturated, then everything is filled with water. In that case, weight is equal to, when the volume is 0.3, the weight is 0.3. In that case, volume is 0.5 because everything is filled with water. Everything is filled with water in that case. It is saturated. So weight in that case is 1 is the weight of solid and weight of water is 0.5. Guys, here weight is 0.3 na because volume is 0.3. But when it is completely saturated, so everything is filled with water, so it will be 0.5 upon total volume is 1. 0.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. So this will be 1.5. 4 is also correct. So 134. Second, yes, Alekya. 14th you are saying C. No C. It will be B, yaar. Srinath, please check. Srinath, please check. 2 is wrong. Srinath, please check. 2 is incorrect, sir. 2 is incorrect, na? That is why I am saying 1 is correct, 3 is correct, and 4 is correct. 2 is wrong. So it will be C. Alekya, Srinath, have you got it? Alekya, Srinath, have you got it? Please tell me. Please tell me. Okay. Let us move to now question number 15, or 2-mark question. This is the level of question that you should be solving, guys, to make you rock solid. There are 2 borrow areas, A and B. There is borrow area A and borrow area B. Of void ratio of borrow A is 0.8. E is equal to 0.8. Water content is 20%. Okay. The fill at the end of construction will have total volume. Okay. We have to make a fill from this. Okay. The cost of excavation is 200 per 100 meter cube. Okay. G is 2.65. Now there is some borrow B also. We can take soil from either site A or site B. What is B void ratio? Void ratio is 0.7. From here, if we take the soil, more soil will be coming because voids are less. From here, if I take 1 meter of soil, less solids will be coming because voids are more. So there, with 1 meter cube of soil I take, more solids will be coming because void ratio is less. Water content is how much? 15%. Water content is 15%. Total volume, we have to make the fill from here. More solids are coming, but cost is also more. More solids are coming, but cost is also more. Rupees 220 here. There was 200 ka le lo. And it's 220 meter cube here. From both of these sides, we have to make a fill. The fill at the end of the construction have a total volume of 1000 meter cube. We have to make a fill. V is equal to 1000 meter cube. Bulk density is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. This is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. And water content is 22%. Water content is 22%. Now, which is economical? Which is economical? This is asked. This is asked. Everyone. This I want to know that who can do this. Only the students who are having the concepts rock solid and also their concentration is rock solid. They can only do this. They can only, I want to know such guys. I will be giving you enough time here. Let me check that who can do this. Everyone. Attempt it. Can you find gamma D? Can you find gamma D for both the case? Gamma D. Guys, gamma D is equal to weight of solid upon total volume. Weight of solid is constant. Weight of solid is constant. That means gamma D into total volume is equal to constant. Gamma D into total volume is constant. So let me do gamma D into total volume here. Total volume VA into gamma W is G gamma W G into gamma W 9.81. G is given upon 1 plus E. Okay, and that has to be equal for here also. That has to be equal for here also. Okay, so for a minute let me stop this bottom bar so that I can use the bottom part of the smartboard also. Yes, now I can use. See, I know the technology. Okay, so this is V into gamma D. Gamma D is G gamma W upon 1 plus E. G we know 2.65. I want to gamma D into V because gamma D into V is weight of solid, that will be constant. Now here gamma D will be gamma T upon 1 plus W into total volume 1000. From this equation what we can find VA. From this equation what you can find VA. Okay, and if I use the same equation for from here we can find VA because G is known. Okay, now here also weight of solid will be gamma D. Gamma D will be G gamma W upon 1 plus E into volume B. Now from these two equations I can find VB. From these two equations I can find VB. Yes or no? So VA is 11350. VA is, so from here VA is this and VB is 10720. So VB is equal to this one, 10720.23 meter cube, and VA is equal to 11350.84. Now cost from A. For every 100 meter cube, it requires how much? 200 rupees. So for every meter cube it will be 2 rupees. For every meter cube 2 rupees. So 2 into 11350. And cost B for every 220 meter cube, for 100 meter cube 220 rupees. For every 1 meter cube 2.2 rupees. So 2.2 into कहाँ गया 10720 point जो भी है यार 23. So from here guys, this is correct and you find the cost of these two. So A will be economical. So it will be A, B, C. Everybody give me yes or no. Have you understood this or not? Please let me know. For beautiful question, please put a heart sign on the comment section. For this ISRO exam date, ISRO cancel हो गया भाई. Okay, just kidding. I don't know when it will be here, but whenever the notification will be coming, it will be D plus 20 days. Suppose notification comes in D days, then anything after 20, maybe 25, 30 days, exam will be there. Suppose a notification comes of 1st August. So any time within 20 days exam will not be there, but after that 20 August, 21 August, 22 August, 5 September, any time it can happen. Anytime again MSQ. This we have done, I guess. Okay, so these Leaning Tower of Pisa I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, so this I am giving you for homework. This I am giving you all for homework. Okay. Okay guys, quick sign liquefaction I'll tell you tomorrow. So guys, this is Sunday ka funda I have taken. Please do watch this. This is Super Saturday about Einstein. This is coming next Saturday. Guys, now tomorrow we'll be doing consolidation plus classification numericals both. Okay, so tomorrow 9 p.m. are you coming? Tomorrow 9 p.m. are you coming for such beautiful, approximate date will be September 1st to 15. Are you coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow? Please let me know at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. Okay, please like this session, guys. I just shared with you all. Okay. Like this session, guys. Dheeraj sir's workshop will be tomorrow. I have already told this at the beginning of the session. In-depth preparation strategy. Tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Please do join this. And we are coming with 2 more sessions about all PSUs, specialty, qualification, eligibility, everything. And if you start now, what you can get, this will be this Thursday at 11:15 p.m. Guys, we have made a shot on GATE 2021 was conducted by IIT Bombay. That time the syllabus was updated. Syllabus was updated last then. Okay. That time certain things have been eliminated, like in soil, origin of soil, Westergaard, soil structure, kaolinite, enlightenment and all that, Sohm theory of failures. So you study PYQ, you don't study PYQ of last 3 years, you study PYQ of last 20 years, and in 2017 to 13 all those topics have came. So if you are particularly focusing on GATE, then those topics or those PYQs you need not to do because they are eliminated in 2021. So that short we have made, please do watch that. Now this I'll be coming in next 2 to 3 days, government job versus PSU versus private job. I have made this session live earlier, but due to some reason I was not able to take it. Then suddenly I was watching some of my session. Yes, that GATE, how many doors are open after the GATE? How many doors are open after the GATE? I have seen somebody has written there, sir, you was about to take this session but you have not taken. So I got, oh shit, I forgot it. Then I'll be taking now this in 2-3 days, okay? You can join me my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. 23 paper was tough. Okay, 23 papers was little bit tough, special engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics marathon. Okay, so Krishna will try to have it. Okay? Okay guys, so you can join my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, for all the important updates. Thank you all, take care guys, see you tomorrow 9 p.m. with some beautiful numericals of consolidation and classification. Thank you, take care.